Everybody needs to practice their golf game, but especially their short game. And this Chipster set is exactly what you need. And let me show you a little bit of what it comes in. Of course, it has its bag, which is super useful and convenient. I can open it up like that, and it comes with 3 different targets. The medium, the small right here, and the larger one right here. It does also come with the golf balls. So these are plush or not kind of rubber golf balls. Basically, you're not gonna hurt anyone or anything with them. And it's got their support, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like when it's all assembled. It takes roughly 30 seconds. And literally 30 seconds later, you've got them set up. I've got the small, medium, and large target. It's great for backyard practice or even inside the garage during your winter months. Super helpful. There you go. And will improve your shot.